electric condenser mic for sensing the sound. Today I am going to explain about this project. Components required: condenser mic, 555 IC, transistor BC547, resistors, capacitor, LED, battery, breadboard wires and breadboard. For this project we need this type of components: transistor BC547, battery 5 to 9 volts and battery snap connector, and 555 timer IC, and breadboard wires and breadboard, and we have to use in this, and resistor 220 ohms, and condenser mic we have to use in this project. Guys, this is the circuit design. By this we have to connect the connections. Here we are using electric condenser mic for sensing the sound, transistor to trigger the 555 timer IC, and 555 IC to turn on the LED through a low voltage trigger. And we connected a circuit design by seeing the previous picture. Mainly in this circuit, a clap on clap off switch is an intersecting concept that could be used in home automation. It works as a switch which makes devices on and off by making a clap sound. And we did this experiment. Same manner, we connected the same circuit of the different circuit design of the same project. And in this, the main component of the circuit is electric condenser mic, which has been used as a sound sensor. The condenser mic basically converts sound energy into electrical energy, that in turn is used to trigger 555 timer IC through a transistor. And triggering of 555 IC works as a clock pulse or D-type flip-flop. And this is the main concept of the clock pulse, means until the next clap sound. So this is the clap switch which will turn on with first clap and turn off with the second clap. If we remove D-type flip-flop from the circuit, the LED will turn off automatically. And the next time of this video we are going to present directly through YouTube by the interaction. And better results, go to IEEE workshop. In this IEEE workshop we can learn about the new things about IoT and machine learning, and about home automation and connections of Raspberry Pi. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel Vamsi Tech for you, and presentation by G. Sai Kiran Reddy. Thanking you.